Hi lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel somycrafty. It's me Sminzy. I'm here with you with an elegant project, an elegant tutorial of earrings. Here is the look of our today's project. So let's start. We have picked 6 pairs of 1 seed bead and 1 pearl. 6 pairs. 4 mm pearls with seed beads 11. After making double knot, we have started this round in which we will add each time 5 seed beads, golden 5 seed beads 11, passing through previous round's seed bead. In this way we will add total 6 times 5 seed beads 11. Now first round we have completed. Now the second round. In this round we have to add silver crystal bead 4 mm. 6 times we will add. We will pass through seed bead 11. Of previous round. In this way we added 6 crystal seed bead silver crystal beads. And now next step we have to add 1 seed bead 11 each time. 6 times we will add between crystal beads silver 4 mm beads. Between these beads we added seed bead 11. And now after making some knots, we will trim the extra thread. Here we are moving to next step. Here we have picked one 10 mm white pearl which have a loop. Now we have to add one eye pin after opening its loop with nose plier. We have to add its loop to 10 mm pearl's loop, and after adding eye pin to pearl's loop we have closed eye pin's loop. Now we have to enter it to the beaded part which we made with crystal beads and pearls. Now we have to fix it in the middle of this beaded part. Now we are adding pearls to our eye pins. We have add one 6 mm pearl, and now we have to add one 4 mm pearl. 2 pearls we add here. We have to add here 2 pearls. Now here we have to cut extra. We have to trim, we have to cut extra wire of eye pin. Now we will make a loop here with help of nose plier. We are making the loop, and after making a loop we will add air wire. We have to open air wires loop, and we will enter this loop to eye pin's loop, beaded parts loop, and now we have to close it. And in this way we have completed our today's project. Very easy, Very quick, super easy to make, and but very elegant look. Here are the final looks of our today's projects. Our earrings, elegant earrings, white beauty with silver and golden. I hope you would like it. The color combinations and its pattern, very simple, very easy to make pattern. Even beginners can make it easily. It takes no time to make it, so let's try and make it for yourself. Here are the final looks. Don't skip these videos, lovely viewers. I make it with love for you, and I request you, don't forget to subscribe your own channel, somycrafty. It's your own channel. Make it successful with your subscriptions, likes and shares. I need your subscriptions and sharings and comments. And now here is the time to say you bye. Take care of yourself. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.